All right, what's good, y'all? Ferguson Bay here. So yesterday I showed y'all how I made a post on Canva using ChatGPT, Unsplash, and stuff like that. So just wanted to show you the post. I don't think I played it yesterday. All right, so that's the post, and I'm scheduling a bunch of these, right? So I got this one scheduled. This is a similar picture. Right, shouldn't have placed them back to back, but we got Bay Essentials. So Bay Essentials is our brand for 100% natural products. So we got 100% silk products. Right now, we also got some 100%, shea butter and some black soaps coming in. So where we got them in, but I haven't started marketing those yet. I want to see how to package them, but this segment is called, grind time for off-duty grind. So it's military business owners, but mainly any business owner that has a full-time job. So I want to show you some quick ways that we do some things. So I made the video yesterday. I went live on Facebook yesterday. The video got chopped up, but yesterday I made this post. And I did that again by going to what we call ChatGPT or Bard. All right, I didn't do it on this computer. I got a lot of stuff open. Go to Bard. Meet Bard. All right. And you can tell it to do something for you. So, like, write a cheesecake recipe. And, well, I ain't going to say how many steps. You can just say write a cheesecake recipe, right? Or give me 10 tips for this, 10 tips for that, etc. So you can do that. It'll give you this. Then you can copy and paste whatever it tells you, these instructions, right, into my kids in the bathroom, into this, right? Whatever you ask it, you can copy and paste it into Google Sheets. Then you take Google Sheets and go to Canva, right? So you can open Canva. I got my scheduler right here. Canva. So you'll need Canva Pro. I'm going to go back home. Right? And I'll go to this one. This is one I made. And you click on this area, right? Click these three dots. But first you need this bulk create right here. I don't know if my screen is in front of it. You need this bulk create. Click the bulk create. And then it'll ask you to enter the data manually or upload a CSV. All right. So you can upload a CSV, take that Google Sheet, download it as a CSV file, comma, separated file, and then it'll update that data. So this one has, let me see, upload CSV. It's already in there, and it was my benefits. All right. Then it's already in. I should just go through it. Let's just go through it. Upload CSV. And here's my downloads. Say silk. I wanted to change it. Alright, so silk pillowcase, CSV. Open that. Now it has the benefits. It had a set of benefits. So then you click this text box, whatever's there, or wherever you want your text to be. Click these three dots, hit connect data. Alright. You want to connect to the benefits. All right. I just named the title of this column inside my CSV file was named benefits. All right. Let me see if I still got it. I gotta find it. I don't think it was that file. So I have several files. I do this over and over, right? So benefits number 2. I have another one, right? So I had tips. I have several files. This is my different things. So, but whatever this image is or captions or something like that, whatever your file is, you just put that where you want it to be. So this will give me a list of the benefits. I'll hit this. Let me see, connect data, connect benefits. Boom. All right. Probably spelled it wrong, but hit continue. All right. So now these were the list of benefits I had. Pillowcases are gentle on the skin. Help hydrate, prevent hair breakage, reduce tangles, blah, blah, blah. All right, and it will generate 15 pages of artwork for me based on this template that I had. So now I have this. I got to move it down. You may have to do some adjustments. But it has my name, my website here, bayessentials.com. It has the silk pillowcases. All right. It has everything. So my photo. Now for the photo, again, you want to focus on branding, who you targeting, all right? So if y'all know, y'all can probably hear my kids in the background, but it's grind time, so I got to work with the kids and all. So one site I go to is called Unsplash. So I go to Unsplash.com, Unsplash. So you see how fast I made Unsplash.com, all right? See how fast I made that? I can go to skin or silk. I can go silk, skin. I'll just do skin, all right? No skincare. It's a silk thing. You can do silk, whatever, right? So I can put that here. Download it. Let me see which one I want to download. You can. I wonder if some have people and silk, but I don't want to hold y'all up. Some might have people and silk, but I'll take this silk, download it. Go to my uploads, upload file, upload that, boom. All right. Then I'll take that picture, drag and drop it here, or I can delete this, delete that, put the square there, right? Make it like that. Silk pillowcases. I could say silk. Not necessarily pillowcases. Silk is gentle on skin, hair, blah, blah, blah. And I can also quickly change kids again. Change the color, right? Like that. Make it like that. If I want to add a border on this, I can add a border and stuff like that. Let me see, add a photo. But if y'all want more tips and stuff like this, I don't think I want border. Just looking at what else can I add on here. It's fine the way it is, right? It's an Instagram post. So I can do it like that. I can crop it, move it in like that. Silk, make it taller. Smaller, adjust it. All right. Boom. All right, and that'll be a post. All right, so I can do that quickly. I have 15. I think I have 15 different things, right, that I can adjust fairly quickly and make a post and schedule it. And I can go share and schedule these out, right? So that's just a quick tip on what I do to create my posts fairly quickly. Yesterday's video got chopped up. If y'all want more tips like this, or y'all want me to work with y'all, like I'm thinking about just doing a class on a weekly basis, free class starting, and just do it on like Saturday or something like that, Saturday morning, and we just grind it out. We do it on Zoom or something like that, and you can ask questions, or I go live on social media platform. So if you're interested, if you're watching this, say you're interested. If you're interested, click like or something like that, and we'll get something small going. Even if it's only 1 or 2 people, we just get it going, all right, and give you tips and stuff like that. So this is what I enjoy doing, so that's why I like doing it. I was an instructor in the military, so I just like teaching. So if y'all interested in that, just let me know. Just created stuff for your business, make whatever you need, recipe books, whatever. We'll just work on those things. So again, thanks for watching. It's Ty Ferguson Bay, and I think I'm out. Talk to y'all. Bye.